I've been using 10 years younger in 30 days for 2 years now, and this is a fantastic product. It's very easy to follow. You have 4 different formulas, and they are numbered 1 and 2 for the morning, 3 and 4 for the evening. And the sequence says it, you start with number 1, and it's very easily to apply. You do that first, and because it's very easily absorbs, you don't even have to wait between the two to apply before you can apply the second one. Don't forget your neck, it gets older as well, you know. And already I am done with number 1 and ready to put on number 2. As I said, it doesn't take any time between the two of them, because number 1 has already been absorbed. And this will get you through the day and protect you, because we all need that at our age. And again, don't forget your neck. And that's it. 3 minutes tops. So 10 years younger in 30 days, night routine, basically the same as the morning. You put number 3 and you put number 4. Number 3 is to detox you from everything that has been blasting on your skin the entire day, and this one helps you plump up and lose the wrinkles. And it's the same routine. You just put it on. You don't even have to wait between the applications, because they are really quickly absorbed. And as we know, Morganna only uses natural plant-based products. Et voila. That's it for the number 3. And already absorbed, and I can put on number 4 right away, which is my favorite, Pro Collagen. We all need that at our age. And as you might notice, I don't use eye cream. I use 10 days younger in 30 days all over my face, including for the eyelids, as it works everywhere. And that's it. I'm ready for bed.